Hey guys, so I'm just going to be cleaning some random stuff today, including the kitchen, I think some stuff in my room, the bathrooms, and show you the new vacuum. But here's the kitchen. It's a hot mess right now, so this is the first thing I'm going to tackle. So we are going to just jump right in and get going on this kitchen. So here's a little update so far of what I've gotten done. I took everything off the counters. I'm going to wipe those down. I put stuff away. And then kind of just put it all back together. Next are the dishes, which I absolutely dread the dishes sometimes. But you will be seeing me use my Method dish soap, which is my favorite. This one's Sea Minerals, I believe. I also really enjoy the Method hand soap, and I just keep it at the kitchen sink, and I like the flavor waterfall. Not really a flavor, but a scent waterfall. I've been enjoying that one lately. One of my favorite YouTubers to watch while I clean is Love Meg. If you have not checked her channel out, go check her out. She's awesome. So when I get done with the dishes, I just like to put a little cleaning oil in the disposal and around the sink just to freshen it up and make it smell better. So after I'm done cleaning everything, I just like to go in with the Swiffer Wet Jet and clean up the floors and make them look nice. So for this part, I'm just gonna be unboxing my new cordless free Dyson V8 Absolute. I was debating between the Absolute and the pet one, I believe. It's like the all purple one. I don't really have a pet, but I have hair everywhere, I feel like, in the house. But I ended up going with this one just because I think it had the two different attachments. It had the hardwood floors and the carpet attachment. So I just went ahead and got this one. I absolutely love it. It is worth every single penny. If you do not have a Dyson, you need one. And for it being cordless, it's the best thing ever. The charge, I can vacuum my whole house probably on one charge, depending on the power I use. And right here, you'll just see me using it in the living room. And yeah. So when I get done putting my living room together, I like to spray with this Febreze fabric freshener. It smells so good. Do not mind my Christmas corner with my Christmas tree still up and all our gifts over there. It's a hot mess and I still have not gotten to put it away yet, but it'll be put away hopefully before next Christmas. So yeah, I just like to spray this kind of on all the fabric since we have leather, but it smells really good. It just refreshes everything in the living room. So as you can see, I just kind of clean off my nightstand. I also got a new lamp, so I put that in because my boyfriend loves black, and I like black to a certain extent, but I just needed a pop of color on my nightstand. So I went ahead, cleared it off, sprayed it down, with Method, of course, which you will see, and put in a new lamp with a pop of color. So I just kind of like to clean my nightstand once a week, maybe every other week. It gets really dusty, likes to collect dust. So I just kind of wipe those down, like I said, every week or every other week. And it does collect, you know, snacks and drinks and stuff that I have throughout the night or day. So, yeah. Here's how my nightstand turned out in the end. So here's James's side, his nightstand, which is dirty and gross. So I just cleaned it and put a new lamp in as well. I loved how it turned out. So again, the bathroom's a hot mess right now, our guest bathroom. But I just wanted to show you guys what I use. Use the Method bathroom cleaner. Love this stuff. So there. This is just a glass cleaner I use. Method once again. I have a bit of an obsession. Another Method product. This is the toilet bowl cleaner. Love it. It's spearmint. Makes it smell really good. I just use this Method heavy duty degreaser, and like I get stains. We're renting this place and it's like older flooring, so sometimes it just gets stains and stuff, so I just spray that on the stains, and then I use the lovely Swiffer wet jet and just to try to clean the floors a little better. But yeah, that's kind of what I use for my bathroom.